Good morning everyone, my name's Ashley Cooper and here at Brisbane International site at Tennyson is a shot of me playing in 1958. That's at the Free Park Tennis Centre.
Hello, I'm Hugh Lunn and today we have a very interesting person in tennis, in the world of tennis, to interview. We have Ashley Cooper.
Chris Freeman, Vice President of Tennis Australia, to come along and introduce our star of the day, Ashley Cooper. Chris, over to you.
Well, thank you very much, Peter. It is also a great honour for me and a privilege to be here this morning to introduce Ashley Cooper, tennis player. Ashley is a past #1 champion. He has been in tennis for more than 60 years as a player and a champion.
Now this man won Wimbledon age 21. He won 2 Davis Cups in 56, 57, I think.
56, 58.
56, 57, yeah,
right.
And lost in 58.
Correct.
I wasn't going to mention that. And the interesting thing about Ashley was that he was one of the great players in the world. He was the top amateur and then he went pro, but he won winning Wimbledon at 21. Within 5 years he never played again. And why was that, Ashley?
I had quite a severe elbow problem with the ulnar nerve, and my arm was actually frozen in a locked position for about 6 months.
Like that?
Yeah. And eventually...
You're actually born in Melbourne.
Yeah.
But so when was it about 52 when you first played?
52. I remember this very well because I took a flight from Melbourne to Brisbane. It was an old DC-3.
Oh, classic plane.
Yeah, and it stopped, I guess, about 6 or 7 times on the way up here, and eventually I left in the morning and got here at dusk. So, but the thing that first struck me about Brisbane was all the tin roofs and backyard tennis courts all lit for tennis. All lit.
Okay.
It was night tennis, and that was the main structure of tennis in Brisbane, was to play night tennis on backyard courts. I was 16, fairly ambitious in what I wanted to do in tennis, and I went out to Milton, and I see hitting up on one of the outside courts 2 lean, sun-tanned Queenslanders. This was sometime early November, before the Queensland Championships, and they were Mel Anderson and Roy Emerson. And I looked at them and I thought, these 2 could be a thorn in my ambitions. and so it proved.
Out of Australia, but he originally was from Melbourne, and as a young man he came up to Queensland to play tennis tournaments, and Queensland has always been considered a fairly rough sort of a place, and Melbourne very sophisticated with beautiful tennis clubs, and so Ashley arrived at Milton to play some of these blokes, and I have no idea what he thought he was in for when he arrived, but Frank's sentiment said it blew his mind when he arrived here and some of the people he had to play tennis. So Ashley, what did you find it was like at Milton and playing these people from 1,000 miles north of Melbourne?
Well, it was certainly different. It was a sort of a vivid comparison between the centre court, which was a very good court,
yes,
very played beautifully, and the outside courts were left a fair bit to be desired.
Yeah.
Some of them did, and I played. I remember one of the first years I came up, I played Les Flanders, who was 6'4", 6'5" boy from out west, and came from Warwick, I think, and we were playing on a court that ran east-west, and
east-west,
and there were a lot of bad bounces, and he had a huge serve, and he's got match point on me, serving at 40-15 to win the match, and you serve one of these serves in, I sort of looped it back, and then he volleyed, and then I said, I'll throw up a lob to give him a bit of time to think about where he is. Anyway, he missed the smash, and then he got nervous. He suddenly thought about things, and I ended up winning the match and I ended up winning the tournament. I ended up beating Rosewall in the semis and Hove in the final.
Wow.
So
it was a tough competition.
Yeah, and Rod Labour remembers that match because he knew Les Flanders quite well. And he said he watched me, should have got beaten by Flanders and then got beaten.
Then won the tournament. Yeah.
But my first...
It was famous around the world. Would you say that, having toured the world, as it like the Gabba was famous for cricket?
Yeah. Brisbane
had two things that were world famous, the Gabba and Milton. And so it was a bit of a pity that we lost the Milton. And Ken said that it was he was from Brisbane, but he said it was a lovely, it was the only centre court in the world with all timber stands around it, which became a problem when you had to keep them painted. I think you were out there painting them.
Well, nailing them down.
Yeah, that's the funny thing about tennis in Brisbane. You know, you have Ashley Cooper out of Milton nailing trying to keep the stand going, and the first.
And subsequently, you played a 5-set match. You finish in 2 hours, 2 hours 15 minutes.
That's right. Now it takes 5 hours.
Yeah, it was continuous. You didn't rest.
And you don't coach at all, Ashley?
No.
Wouldn't you have a lot of good stuff to pass on?
Well, I did coach for quite a while out of Coots, and when I got into administration back in late 90s, I decided to cut all ties with commercial tennis,
right?
In case there was some
conflict. And were you glad you became a tennis player when you were 15?
Yes, I wouldn't have changed anything. Now I've got a few injuries that relate to playing a lot of tennis. But,
and do people stop you in the street for autographs?
Strangely enough, that happens more in England than anywhere else.
Yeah, because of Wimbledon.
Yeah.
Well, everybody in England's in love with Wimbledon, aren't they? Well, thanks very much, Ashley, for those insights into world tennis from someone who knows.
Thanks, you.
Travelling with Ash was incredible. He's a fitness freak. I tried to get fit, and he honoured me saying I was the fittest player playing tennis. But you should have seen Ashley Cooper. I tried to keep up with him. Oh yeah. I did. But I think some of the young players today should have Hopman as a Davis Cup captain with a little bit of discipline. When Ashley and I travelled in the Davis Cup team, we were really orange squeezes, and
tennis is a sport you play all your life. You know, there's competitions worldwide for 85 and over players. So if you learn to play tennis, you've got something that you can keep fit with for your entire life.